The followers of Muhammad, the first three, Abu Bakr, Umar, and Uthman, these were followers of Muhammad who were called in Arabic Khalifa, in English we call him Caliph, and that means the successor or the one who is legitimate authority who replaced Muhammad, the prophet. Shortly thereafter, there was a split in Islam caused by a group who said, no, the only legitimate ruler of Islam is a member of Muhammad's family. Now, Muhammad had a daughter. Her name was Fatima. And his son-in-law was Ali. So the family of Ali claimed that only Ali could be the legitimate ruler of Islam because he is of the family of the Prophet. Then this argument goes on, and finally, there are enough followers on both sides that there's a split. And those who follow the tradition are called Sunni, S-U-N-N-I, and those who follow Ali are called Shia, namely the sectarians. So you have in Islam Sunni and Shia. And the Shiites have a different form of Islam, and they develop different traditions, different forms. The Sunni are the majority. Most of the Muslims are Sunni Muslims. The Shia also are a significant portion. Iran is a Shiite state. Half of Iraq is Shiite. There are certain groups in Lebanon that are Shiite. A lot of the East African Muslims were Shiites, but they were also followers of another descendant by the name of Ismail. So you have the Ismaili Muslims and the Ahmadiyya Muslims and so on. There are many sectarian groups in Islam. But both groups eventually, over the course of time, achieved great power. So several of the kingdoms were ruled by Sunnis and several of the empires were ruled by Shiites. It's a conflict which goes on throughout Islamic history.